Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna starting our new series which is the Filmora. Make sure if you talk about the Filmora, they have a lot of versions available there. Filmora 11, Filmora 12 or I think Filmora 9 and also Filmora X. So you have to pay or purchase the Filmora versions for your need or according to your need. So while I'm recording this lecture, Filmora just launched the Filmora 12 version and they have give a lot of new functionality out of the box. So let's suppose you are a content creator and you are not going to hire a video editor, or in simple words, you are not going to hire an agency which edit your content or which edit your videos, because they are going to charge a lot of money and you are not going to afford that. So that's why you always edit your videos your own. So you need a tool which edit all the videos, all the content out of the box for you. Okay, if you talk about the video editing, then a lot of professional software available there, because you are not a video editor, so you don't need to learn those kind of software, or you don't need to spend your time. So that's why you always select a particular tool which edit or which give you the functionality to edit your content out of the box. So you can edit the videos or the content easily by using those kind of tools. A lot of tools available in the market. I'm talking about the free tool and also the paid tool, but I'm using the Filmora since many years, so I am really comfortable with the Filmora because I'm a programmer and I'm not a video editor. So that's why I always edit my videos or edit my content by using the Filmora. So in this series we are going to start each and everything from the scratch, so you guys can easily understand. We're gonna download and install the Filmora 12, which is the latest version of the Filmora family, and we're gonna configure the Filmora 12. We're gonna start from the zero, like what are the folder structures in Filmora 12. We give you each and every single concept so you guys can easily edit your content out of the box. Okay guys, so I hope you're gonna really enjoy this series. So please support us our channel and please support us our content by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please support us and give us some stars so we can continue our work. So thank you for watching.